The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 3. Contemplating the Karmic Conditions of Beings. At that time, the Buddha's mother, Lady Maya, placed her palms together respectfully and asked Earth-Store Bodhisattva, "Great sage, could you tell us about the different kinds of karma that beings of Jambudvipa create, and the resulting retributions that they undergo?" Earth-Store replied, "There are millions of worlds and lands that may or may not have hells, may or may not have women, may or may not have Buddha Dharma, and so forth, to having or not having sound hearers and Pratyeka Buddhas. Since the worlds differ, the retributions in the hells also differ." Lady Maya spoke again to the Bodhisattva. "Could you please tell us about the offences done by those in Jambudvipa that result in retributions in the evil destinies?" Earth-Store replied, "Worthy Mother, please listen as I speak briefly about that." The Buddha's mother answered, "Great sage, please tell us about it." Then Earth-Store Bodhisattva said to the worthy mother, "Retributions that result from offences done in Jambudvipa are described like this. Beings who are not filial to their parents, even to the extent of harming or killing them, will fall into the relentless hell, where for billions of eons they will seek escape in vain. Beings who shed the Buddha's blood, slander the triple jewel, and do not venerate sūtras will fall into the relentless hell, where for billions of eons they will seek escape in vain. Beings who usurp or damage the property of the eternally dwelling, who defile bhikshus or bhikshunis, who commit sexual acts within the Sangharama, or who kill or harm beings there, will fall into the relentless hell, where for billions of eons they will seek escape in vain. Beings who seem to be Shramanas, but in their minds are not Shramanas, who destroy the things of the eternally dwelling, who deceive lay people, who go against the precepts, and who do many other evil deeds, will fall into the relentless hell, where for billions of eons they will seek escape in vain. Beings who steal the wealth and property of the eternally dwelling, including its grains, its food and drink, its clothing, or take anything at all that was not given to them, will fall into the relentless hell, where for billions of eons they will seek escape in vain." Earth-Store continued, "Worthy Mother, beings who commit such offences will fall into the fivefold relentless hell, where they will constantly seek for temporary relief from their suffering, but will never receive even a moment's respite." Lady Maya further asked Earth-Store Bodhisattva, "Why is that hell called relentless?"